Jasmine, why are you so unhappy? Russell said laughing. Honey, why are you so sad? You don't love me, Jasmine. But Russell, I don't understand. I love you so much. No, you don't. You in love with my cousin. Justin? No, my other cousin. Duncan? Don't be funny. He's much too young. I'm talking about his brother. You mean Hunter? Just nurse. And Hunter loves you too. No, he doesn't. Yes, he does. Russell, just on last month I have lunch with Hunter. There's nothing for you to be jealous about. You think he's fun to be with, and I'm just done. But honey, I like your company much better than Hunter's. I think you are wonderful. You do?